Greetings from the Freedom Wellbeing Institute. My name is Susan Stevenson and I'd like to welcome you to this meditation on determination. I now invite you to find a place where you can sit or lie down and relax as you listen to this meditation. I suggest you pick a spot where you will not be interrupted. When you're comfortably positioned, start to focus on your breath. The breath coming in through your nose, travelling through your nostrils, down to your lungs and your stomach, and then coming back from your stomach through your lungs and out your nostrils or your mouth. Keep a regular rhythmic breath going through this meditation. Determination is a strong, positive feeling that empowers us to do things that are difficult or testing. We may have doubts about whether we can actually achieve certain goals before we start. We might also know that we're going to need to be persistent, put time into our goal, and single-minded about it in order to overcome challenges and barriers that will arise as we head towards our goal. It's important as we begin to think about determination and the achievement of some goal that we build in our mind a very clear picture of what our goal is. Perhaps like the visual on this meditation, your goal is to go up steps, to become fit and strong and healthy. All journeys towards challenging and large goals require us to move through step after step. It takes time to achieve large goals. The reward of achieving something where we've had to be determined is a sense of confidence and faith in ourselves. Contemplate now for a moment a goal you would like to achieve. It might be a small goal, something that you could achieve in 1 week, or it might be a large goal, something that might take many years to achieve. I encourage you to select a goal. As you consider this goal that is going to require you to be determined, I encourage you now to slow your breath down a little, to take a bit more time over the breath out as you contemplate the goal that you aspire to achieve. Picture in front of you a series of steps, each one a little higher, taking a little more energy than the one before. As we head towards a goal, one of the things that our determination does is it prepares us for the steps to come and for any challenges that might emerge. With each step we take and overcome through our determination, we grow more toned and honed and capable of achieving more. Even if we see on the pathway to our goal perhaps a challenge, maybe we need the support of someone else, maybe what our goal requires includes money and time, maybe it even requires us to move or change our job. As Forrest Gump said in his very famous movie, how was he going to run across America? The answer was quite simply step by step. As we take one step towards our goal, we get a different picture of that goal. It's becoming up close, closer to us than it was before we began. Often the challenges and difficulties we think we might encounter, we find we are prepared to move forward, through and over. Determination also requires us to target and structure our pathway towards our goal, to consider the different ways we can use our energy and determination to achieve that goal, to consider who and what might help us on our pathway. As you contemplate the series of steps in front of you and the determination you will need to progress up each step towards your goal, know that inside of you, you are strong. I now encourage you to stretch out both your arms and your legs so that your body forms an X shape. Then I encourage you to flex your feet, pull your toes back towards you, and ball your hands into a fist. Stretch your arms and your legs straight and pull your stomach muscles through towards your back. Feel the strength in your body from your toes and your feet through to your hands, through to your stomach, and most of all through to your mind. Determination is powerful. It is when we take our energy and we focus it on a specific goal or aspiration that we have. Just as you have made your body into the strong X, you can also now relax and rest and feel the wave of heaviness come to your body as you move away from the effort it took to make that X shape. So it is when we are heading towards a goal. There will be moments where we are driving and single-minded and determined, but there also needs to be moments when we relax, we are heavy, we breathe, we take time to rest and to build our energy from that rest to continue towards our aspirations. See your goal in your mind and see sitting, supporting it, all around that goal, your strength and determination. Now, as you relax against the surface holding you, allow your body to be heavy and calm. Allow your breath to be normal and regular. Lift your shoulders, and let them drop, being first active when you lift and then passive when you drop. This is the rhythm upon which determination and achievement of goals is made. It includes not only driving forward, but also relaxing, contemplating, breathing, and regaining and gathering our energy for the next step. Shake out your hands, shake out your feet, allow your head to move from side to side. Lift your head up, drop your head down now towards your chest, and thank yourself for the determination that you have to bring towards your goals. Now lift up your head and gradually sit up, and then stand up, and then move forward with determination towards the goals and aspirations you have.